Don't jump the gun. Understanding this English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of a popular English phrase, don't jump the gun. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idioms, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery behind this interesting expression. The phrase, don't jump the gun, originates from track and field races. In such races, a gun is fired to signal the start. If a runner starts before the gun fires, they have jumped the gun. This term became a metaphor for doing something prematurely or acting too hastily. It suggests that someone is doing something before the proper or appropriate time. When someone says, don't jump the gun, they are advising another person not to act too quickly or make a decision without thinking it through. This idiom is often used as a cautionary reminder to avoid haste that could lead to mistakes or misunderstandings. Let's see some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. 1. Making decisions. I know you're excited about buying a new car, but don't jump the gun. Make sure to do your research first. 2. In relationships. They just met last week, and he's already talking about marriage. He really shouldn't jump the gun. 3. In business. The team is eager to launch the product, but I've advised them not to jump the gun until all tests are completed. There are variations to this phrase that carry a similar meaning, such as acting prematurely or hasty action. Understanding these can help you recognize the same idea in different forms of expression. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of don't jump the gun. Remember, it's always wise to think before you act and not to make decisions in haste. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.